me again. First and foremost, I apologise for the strange lighting because the light bulb in this room is a gross orange colour, so I'm using two LED light strips, which unfortunately don't have a white light setting, but they've got pale blue, so we're just going to have to work with that for now. So I've just got 3 things from Depop, and then the rest are charity shop stuff. First of all, I'll just show you like the odds and ends that I found, like the non-clothing items. So, first of all, I found these lime green suspenders. Now, I don't wear suspenders, but I'm going to use the elastic and the clips to make something out of it. And I've taken the lid off. I think this was around about £1 or something like that. And next I have these. These are curtain rings, as you can read. There are only 6 rings in each one, and I found 4 of these, but I did open 2. And 50p each. And I really like these because they're quite small, and all the other ones I found are about yay big. And then with these, I'm going to turn these into hook and eyes. Okay, and last for the non-clothing items, I found these. They're actually Poison Industries gloves. But obviously they're not that much different than any other kind of fishnet gloves, but I thought it was kind of cool that they were from there. As you can see, they're just simple fishnet with a little band around the bottom here with slightly bigger holes. Okay, onto the clothing now. So first of all, these jeans. Yeah, and these are really great. I've been wearing these a lot already, and I seem to remember they were £4.50. And these are actually a size 6, which is weird because they do fit me very nicely. And they're by some French brand. I looked them up. They're based in France, and they seem to be the same kind of thing as like Topshop, I guess, same kind of thing. But yeah, they're really, really comfortable. They fit really nicely. Yeah, really, really happy with these. And here we have quite a simple top, and it was only £3, so that's really good. Now, initially when I went to the charity shops, I was looking for warmer weather stuff, so I was really glad when I found this one. Now, normally I don't really like knitwear, so I'm very, very picky with what I get, but for me this was a really great one because I really like the kind of satin finish fabric here and the gunmetal poppers. And it's by Sportscraft. I think I've probably seen that here and there. And it's Australian merino wool, so it's really, really warm. Actually, I think it was £5. So yeah, really good. Another warmer thing that I found is this jumper here. This is a bit of a thinner knit, a much finer knit, which I like. And this is really, really warm because it's also synthetic fibre, so it'll keep the heat in even though it's really thin. The sleeves aren't anything special, just kind of a cuff at the end here. And we've got another top here, and it's got these straps at the back here, it's a nice detail. At the front it's fairly simple, but then it's got these ribbed bits on the side which add a bit more interest. And this was £4. And then final top, I just found this nice plain mesh top, and I do have a mesh bodysuit which is almost the same as this. I'm probably going to cut the collar out as well, so it'll end up looking exactly the same, apart from not having the bodysuit bit, of course. But I wear that bodysuit so much, and it's good to have an option that is just a top, because sometimes wearing a bodysuit underneath leggings, for example, doesn't really work so well. So it's good to have this option. And yeah, this was £3. And this jacket is real leather, so I almost put this one back, but I'm very, very glad I didn't, because I've got so much wear out of this already. So it's a really short jacket, like it's a cropped one, and it's got these big knitted bits on it. And this one round the back, when you've got it open, because this bit's really stretchy, it kind of pulls it open at the front a bit, which I thought was an interesting detail. And then on the cuffs it's got this as well, and these really nice chunky gunmetal zippers. Yeah, it's old new look, not old new look, but probably from about 10 years ago. And yeah, this was a really good find. It was £6, excellent, especially for real leather. And the final charity shop item I'm really, really excited about. It's such an awesome find. So it's this skirt here, and it's got these zips all the way down the side, and this is an ankle length skirt on me. And it's great because you can change the look really quickly with this, so it's really, really versatile. I like that it's grey as well, because that adds a bit more dimension to an outfit, I think, when you've got a few different neutral colours. And it's actually vintage as well. The designer says Osamu Maeda, but it's a Japanese designer, and it's made in Japan. There we go. And this was £4.50. Yes, please. Thank you very much. And because it's really stretchy and everything, it's really comfortable. Now we're on to the final 3 items, which are all from Depop. First of all, we have PVC! Yay! And I knew these would be too big when I bought them, but I just didn't know quite how big. Well, to be fair, they fit fine, like, around here, but then once you get up to the waist, yeah, I'm gonna need to take these in quite a bit, probably about that much. Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I was expecting to have to make them small, so that's not a problem. And they're by Skin Tight Clothing. Ironic name considering they don't fit. And just a simple plasticky zip down the front. I paid $5.50 for these with free shipping, so that was awesome. And next, these were separate items, but I bought them with the intention of wearing as a set. So first of all, here is the top. I think it might be glowing a bit. Quite a nice simple design. I do need some more pole wear because one set that I have just doesn't fit me right. So I'm going to sell that one. But this is the replacement of that. And it's by Bad Kitty. There's the label. And this is a size small, medium, yep. And then these are the bottoms that I got to go with it. And these are also by Bad Kitty. And these are a size small. And for the final item in this haul, we have this amazing dress. So I saw this, I've had this in my likes for a little while and I just decided to get it. So it's just nice cotton stretchy fabric, so it'll be great for everyday wear, but at the same time it's a real statement item. And I really like circuit board print stuff. And it's quite a nice subtle one, I think. And then the straps are kind of matte PVC kind of thing. And this is actually a size medium, so it's a little bit baggy around the waist. So I'll probably take it in a bit there, but everywhere else it fits great. And it's also got the embroidered Cyberdog logo on the back there. And this cost me £15. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know which item was your favourite, if you had a favourite, or just tell me if you preferred the Depop clothes or the charity shop clothes. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!